Instagram gets caught keeping deleted photos and messages on its servers for more than a year after the delete. Aren't you offended, Will? You thought the thing was gone. You deleted it.
Yeah.
That salacious photo. No.
Many.
Zuckerberg's, that's just a bedtime reading for Zuckerberg.
For some reason, I kind of expected it.
That was my question.
Kind of like deactivating your Facebook account. It's still there.
Yeah. What's deactivated? What's deleted? So Facebook claims, I think, that it takes about 90 days. They claim, oh, yeah, 90 days, your data will be completely removed. It's like, sure, bud. They have the way that this got found out is this guy had requested his information. You can do this. You can request your information from Facebook, Instagram, and in certain places, it's mandated by government that they have to supply it to you if you ask for it. So he wanted to check if it was true. 90 days, is my stuff really deleted? Let's see what they supply me with. They supply him with the whole boatload, and he sees stuff from a year ago that they didn't delete. They say, oh, yeah, that was just a bug in our system. And the guy who found it's been rewarded $6,000 for finding that bug. Thank you for highlighting that. You give him $6,000. He's supposed to shut up after the $6,000. Instead, he goes and talks to The Verge.
So he took the money?
I believe he actually talked to TechCrunch and then The Verge. And then The Verge reported it. I don't think when you find a bug, there's any kind of non-disclosure in there that you've received. You know, I think it's just, you can talk about it. You're allowed to talk about it publicly. But yeah, the question I have for you was, when you post something to any social media platform, do you, and then later on you delete it, you're like me, you assume it's somewhere on a server somewhere forever,
Some sort of backup,
or it's in some kind of neural network being analyzed against all the other data. Like, who has time? Imagine the amount of content created and managing all that. It's incredible. So anyway, if just don't believe your stuff's really deleted. They say it's a mistake and they've corrected it. If you post it online, even if Instagram deletes it, it could be a billion other places. Like, that's the other thing. There's so many different companies there. If you request it from Instagram, it's a Facebook company, and then there's data trading going on. So who knows where that thing flew? They'd be like, no, it's not on our servers.
Yeah. It's in China somewhere.
Yeah, we just sold it because that was in the terms of service.
Yeah.
You know, I'm just talking. I'm just speculating. I'm having fun. I'm not making accusations. Of course, I wouldn't do such a thing. Willie Doo's gonna have a lawsuit in the inbox. So we're just talking allegedly on everything, every story. It's all just alleged.